Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something really interesting. ASUS just launched the first ever AMD based ROG NUC mini PC, and it is powered by none other than the Ryzen 9 9955 ASIC 3D paired with RTX 5070. Yep, this is the first time we have seen AMD powered ANUC, and it is coming straight from ASUS under the ROG lineup. Let's break it down, the specs, performance, price, and why this is such a big deal. So in 2023, ASUS officially took over Intel's entire NUC business. That's the next unit of computing series. The deal meant ASUS would handle manufacture and marketing for Intel NUC system, including 10 to 13 gen processor and possibly even future Intel CPUs. But here's the twist. Instead of sticking with Intel, ASUS is already announced its first ever AMD-based NUC system, which is pretty unexpected considering the Intel's heritage of NUCs. And this new system is called ROG NUC 9 Mini PC. So let's get into the specs. CPU. The ROG NUC 9 is powered by AMD's flagship Ryzen 9 9955 ASIC 3D, part of Ryzen 9000 mobile lineup. This beast packs 16-core 32-thread, built on latest Gen 5 architecture and comes with massive 128 MB of L3 cache thanks to AMD's 3D Vcache technology. That means better gaming performance and smoother productivity workloads in such a tiny machine. Pretty crazy, right? GPU. On the GPU side, it is paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU. Currently, this is the only GPU option available for this NUC. Meanwhile, Intel-based version of NUC usually offer wider range from RTX 5060 to 5080. But ASUS seems to be keeping things simple for the first time AMD model. Memory and storage. For memory, it comes with 32 GB of DDR5 SODIMM RAM running at 5600 MHz. It is a bit slower than Intel's NUC system, which usually go to 6400 MHz, but user can upgrade it 96 GB if needed. Storage wise, it includes two M.2 slots, one 4th gen and one 5th gen, and ships with 1 TB of SSD storage by default. Of course, you can expand both RAM and storage to your suit build. Connectivity and cooling. Now, in terms of connectivity, ASUS didn't cut corners. You are getting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 and even a 2.5G Ethernet port for wider networking. For ports, there are plenty of options. Regular USB Type-A and USB Type-C port are in the front, and on the rear you will find USB 4, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1 outputs. So it is fully ready for modern monitors and external device. For cooling, ASUS has gone with dual fan configuration and slight vented cases to help airflow through the compact case. And speaking of compact, this little powerhouse measures just 285.4 mm by 187.7 mm by 56.5 mm. That's smaller than most gaming console. Price and availability. The ROG NUC 9 Mini PC has officially launched in China for 14,999 yen, which comes around $2,100. ASUS say the regular retailer price will be 15,999 yen, $2,244. That's definitely premium side of the mini PC, but remember, you are getting Ryzen 9 9955 HX 3D with RTX 5070 power in an ultra compact body, ready for both gaming and productivity. Overall, ASUS has made a bold move here. By bringing AMD into NUC family, they are showing that the ROG brand is not tied into one CPU maker anymore. It is about the performance and flexibility. The Ryzen 9 9955 ASIC 3D and RTX 5070 combo should deliver extended gaming result, and with Wi-Fi 7, USB 4, PCIe Gen 5 support, it is a future ready. It might be expensive, but it is also one of the most powerful compact PC ever made. So yeah, if you love small form factor builds and need serious performance, the ROG NUC 9 could be one of the coolest mini PC of 2025. So that's it for today. Hopefully you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe for more mini PC, GPU or any type of tech news. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.